What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? So I just got in and the cleaning lady just did her thing. She cleaned, so I figured if I'm gonna do an apartment tour, this is the perfect time to do it. So here is the apartment here in Armenia, Colombia. Got a washer over there and a place where you can hang your clothes. Dining room, a little workspace back there. I think I missed that. Storage where you can keep your clothes, your shoes and stuff, or whatever the hell. Living area, couch, humidifier over there in the corner. Obviously TV. It's room number one. This is a 3-2, guys. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I'm in here by myself, paying. I think I paid $600 for this for the month. This is bedroom number 2, and this is the master bedroom with the kitchen. With the bathroom, guys. It's been a long day, so if you hear me, nice big mirror. Look at your boy. And yeah, it's a nice apartment here in Armenia, Colombia. I really love this. This is where all the magic happens. The air fryer. And yeah, man. So this is what you can get in Armenia, Colombia, for around $600. But you can get it cheaper. I think you can get this apartment even cheaper if you negotiate it. But it's like $600 for 3-bedroom, 2-bath is like no brainer. But I didn't want this one. I didn't know it came with 3-bedroom, but I just took it because the price was so good. So this is what you can get, like I said, in Armenia, Colombia. Catch you guys next time. Peace.